Gates open, they're up and racing. Born Tycoon draws for your lead. Moving up, La Furia. Roja, then comes Forever My Love. Maypan is sneaking in. Randa Dance Exquisite. Running by the rail is Leota. Running alongside is Gastambide. Second last, D. San Diego. While Gold Cugat is running at the tail of the field, reaching towards the last 600. This time we have La Furia Roja by about a length and a half. Then moving up on the outside, Born Tycoon, Forever Malave, Exquisite. Moving up on the outside is Leotar down on the inside. Then followed by Gastambide, Maypan, and Randa Dance as they swing for home. Now we have La Furia Roja. Born Tycoon throwing a challenge is Leotar down on the inside. Exquisite in fourth, Forever My Love. And down the stretch and leading the finish line, Born Tycoon, now the leader by 2, followed by La Furia Roja. And finally, Born Tycoon, La Furia Roja, Exquisite. Then comes Forever My Love and Gastambide for your Pentafecta.